Hey, or welcome to my channel, Technology Talks. The release of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in September 2023 marked a significant step forward in Apple's ever-evolving smartwatch lineup. This second-generation device solidifies Apple's commitment to innovation, design, and technology, bringing forth an array of features and enhancements that cater to both tech enthusiasts and casual users. The Ultra 2's blend of cutting-edge advancements is set to redefine the standards for wearable technology, redefining display and illumination. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 stands out prominently for its enhanced display and flashlight functionality. One of the most noticeable improvements is the significantly brighter screen, which not only provides superior visibility in various lighting conditions, but also enhances the overall user experience. Whether you are navigating through the watch's settings in broad daylight or using apps in a dim environment, the increased brightness ensures clarity and ease of use. The upgraded flashlight feature is another highlight, crafted for those who often find themselves in low-light situations. It provides intense brightness and is designed to illuminate paths more effectively than its predecessor. This feature is particularly beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts who require reliable lighting during nighttime activities such as hiking, camping, or simply walking through dark areas. The flashlight's ability to project light farther and brighter than before makes it a valuable tool for users, ensuring they can move confidently even in the dark. Innovations in connectivity and interaction. The Ultra 2 brings with it two key features that enhance connectivity and ease of use: precision finding and the double tap functionality. Precision finding is a game changer for anyone who has ever misplaced their iPhone. Utilizing advanced location technologies, this feature allows users to locate their iPhone with impressive accuracy. By guiding users directly to their device, it alleviates the common frustration of lost or misplaced phones. The double tap feature simplifies the user experience by offering a quick and intuitive way to interact with the watch. With a simple double tap gesture, users can answer phone calls or silence alarms without needing to navigate through multiple screens. This streamlined interaction method not only saves time, but also makes managing daily tasks more efficient, particularly in situations where quick responses are necessary. Durability meets performance. Crafted with a titanium case and a sapphire crystal display, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is designed to endure. These materials not only give the watch a premium look, but also ensure it can withstand everyday wear and tear. The titanium casing provides strength and resilience, while the sapphire crystal is known for its scratch-resistant properties, maintaining the watch's aesthetic appeal over time. At the heart of the Ultra 2 is the S9 chip, which powers the watch's robust performance. This processor ensures smooth operation, allowing for fluid app transitions and efficient handling of various tasks. The S9 chip's capabilities are complemented by the watch's impressive battery life, which offers up to 36 hours on a single charge, extending to 72 hours in low power mode. This extended battery life is a boon for users who rely on their watch for tracking fitness goals, receiving notifications, or embarking on outdoor adventures. Operating system and the road ahead. Running on watchOS 9, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 benefits from an array of new features and optimizations, further enhancing its usability. This operating system update brings with it refined user interfaces, additional health monitoring options, and improved app interactions, making the Ultra 2 a versatile companion for daily life. Looking forward, the buzz around the Apple Watch Ultra 3 has already started to build. Speculation suggests that the next iteration may bring even more innovative features and advancements, pushing the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do. While details remain under wraps, the anticipation for Ultra 3 suggests a continued commitment from Apple to lead the wearable technology market. Conclusion: a powerhouse in the wearable tech market. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is not just a smartwatch, it's a testament to Apple's ability to combine functionality, style, and durability into a single device. Whether you are an outdoor enthusiast needing a robust companion for adventures or someone looking for a reliable smartwatch for everyday use, the Ultra 2 delivers on all fronts. As we await more news on the Apple Watch Ultra 3, it's clear that the Ultra 2 has set a high standard for what users can expect from wearable technology. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to explore the future of the Apple Watch Ultra series and its potential to further revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us.